Hi, you are watching FaheemShaheen. Hello. Hello. What is your name? My name is Mudassir. What is your name? My name is Sarah. How old are you? I am 25 years old. How old are you? I am 23 years old. Where are you from? I am from Lahore. Where are you from? I am from Multan. Where do you live? I live in Gulbarg town. Where do you live? I live in Bosa town. What do you do? I am a teacher. What do you do? I am a teacher. Are you married? No, I am single. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have two brothers. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have three sisters. What language do you speak? I speak English and Urdu. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is black. What is your favorite food? I love pizza. What is your favorite food? I love biryani. What time do you wake up? I usually wake up at 7 a.m. What time do you wake up? I usually wake up at 8 a.m. Do you drink coffee? Yes, I drink it every morning. Do you drink coffee? Yes, I drink it every night. How do you do work? How do you go to work? I take the bus. What do you usually do on weekends? I relax or go out with friends. Do you exercise? Yes, I go jogging in the park. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed around 11 p.m. Do you cook often? Yes, I cook dinner every day. What's your morning routine? I take shower, eat breakfast and get dressed. Do you like your job? Yes, I really enjoy it. How do you spend your free time? I read books or watch movies. What are your hobbies? I enjoy painting and hiking. Do you play any sports? Yes, I play soccer. Do you like reading? Yes, I love reading novels.